Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Beyond Love Lux. I love to talk about lifestyle, luxury, and of course fashion. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and of course leaves me a thumbs up, guys. To this video, guys, we're gonna unbox this beautiful thing from Louis Vuitton, guys. So this one is really hard to get and almost impossible to get, and I was almost heartbroken because of this thing, guys. So okay, I just give you a hint. So this item is like, discontinued already. So the moment I find out that it's gonna be discontinued, first day that they announced that it's gonna be discontinued, straight away I just wake up that morning and then I send my message to my SA. So I told her, like, do you have this thing available in your shop? And she said, like, oh, I have this stuff, like, 3 sizes available in our store. So since I just wake up, so I said, like, oh, just give time, like, I'm gonna decide later on, just like, a few hours. And then, like, I forget totally that day, guys, because I also, like, I'm not yet 100% that I want to splurge another money for a luxury item, because, like, this month I already bought 3 handbags. So I think, like, that's so excessive. And because of this pandemic, like, I also want to be sensitive as well about, like, my spending. So and then I was busy, like, and then until the next day I'm so busy as well, and I forget totally that I have committed to get this item, guys. So after 2 days, and I realized, oh my god, so I sent a message to my SA, like, it's still available. And she said, like, oh, unfortunately, like, it's already all sold out. So I said, like, I google, like, everything, like, like, I tried to find in another store. I asked my other SA, and she said, like, everything is sold out now, nothing left. So even in secondhand market, oh my god, guys, nothing. It's just like, nothing left in the secondhand market. Farfetch, real, like, Versatile Collective, I check everything and it's all gone, guys. Okay, so, like, I was so heartbroken. Like, actually, guys, with the luxury items, I'm not really, like, like crazy, that, like, heartbroken, but it's still bugging me, like, every time I see a video about they're talking about this item, guys, like, this is part of me that is, like, like a little bit painful. So, like, I regret, because I have the opportunity, I have the chance, and I just forget about it, and and I let it go. So I thought it's already gone, I don't have any chance to get it. So I just waiting, like, until, like, few months or even a year that people, like, resell their stuff. So, like, I already, like, give up, guys. I already give up for that item. So, like, 2 weeks ago, I just arrived in a summer holiday in Koh Samui, guys. I just landed and I get a message from my SA. She said, like, oh, I have a good news for you, I have one available item. So yeah, I'm so glad, and hopefully you understand what I'm feeling right now, why I'm so excited about this thing. This is just like a small thing, guys, but I'm so excited because of the story, how I get this this item. So let's open it together. So as always, I dropped the receipt. So this is the receipt, guys. And of course, my SA always very kind to give me perfume samples again. And this is the thing. So it's quite small. So the dust bag. Oh, I have the chance to grab the last piece of the toiletry pouch 19, guys. So the toiletry pouch, as we all know, that they announced this one, like, discontinued a month ago, and as we all know, we have really a lot of saga about this toiletry pouch, guys. So the toiletry pouch is, like, available in 3 sizes. So they have the 15, and I have here the 19, and the other one is the 26, which is the biggest one. So I have the middle one. So, like, actually, guys, this is the last one available in the store, and this is the one, my preferred size as well. So that's why I'm so happy. So hopefully you understand, like, earlier, like, I'm talking how I'm excited about, like, talking about this pouch, because this is discontinued. So, like, this is, I think, and I believe this is the last available toiletry pouch that's available in all the stores nationwide, guys. So, like, I consider myself lucky enough to have the hands of this pouch, guys. And I know that in the second-hand market, they're crazy now. They're doubling the price or even triples the price, like, because this one is most in demand in Louis Vuitton small leather goods, because every people is turning this one as a handbag. So I think this is also one of the reason why Louis Vuitton wants to discontinue this toiletry pouch, because, like, like, people are turning this one a handbag. So instead of buying a proper handbag, because like, you know, if you buy a proper handbag from Louis Vuitton, of course it will, like, you know, double or triples the price. And this one, you save a lot of money for this one to turn into a handbag, guys. And even for just a pouch itself, I can use this one as my pouch like this. It's really, really nice. And yeah, look at that. It's very comfortable as well. Yeah, I really plan to use this one if I go like for a lunch or just like, you know, a quick dinner or something like that. This is really great, guys. And of course, you can use this one as an organizer. So I have here, like, you know, this is the toiletry pouch 19, and I have here my wallet on chain Chanel. So this is how it looks like side by side. So obviously, this pouch can fit more than the wallet on chain of Chanel. Yeah. And so obviously, it can fit more. And of course, like, you know, I want to compare this one with my Félicie Pochette, guys. So the Félicie Pochette looks like this, side by side. Obviously, it's way bigger than the Félicie Pochette, so it can accommodate more than the Félicie Pochette. And of course, I have also here my medium-sized toiletry pouch as well. So this is how it looks like. And this one, this is how it looks like for those who haven't know this toiletry pouch. So it's look like this in the front, and then on the side you have here the zipper, and of course underneath is like this, and then like you have a zipper compartment here that you can zip, you know. And then the interior is a beautiful beige color leather. I think it's a leather, right? Yeah, it's a leather. And then the hardware is in gold hardware, and you have a very small vachetta leather here, which is like Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So this is made in Spain, guys. I don't mind that. And then I'm looking inside. There's no more date code inside, so this one is a new one. So you have the electronic date code, guys. So let's find out what can fit inside. So this one is filled to the brim, so I think like, I don't want to add more in this to fill in, so it's already perfectly filled in, guys. So let's open, let's find out what's inside. So number one, so I have here my earphone, and the second item inside, I have here a lipstick. And then, of course, I have here my pouch, my key pouch. And I have here my Chanel card holder. Oh my God, guys, it's amazing what can fit in this one. So I have here my Zoe wallet as well. And also, I have an alcohol, a small one, just a small alcohol. And of course, I have here my reusable shopping bag. And the last one inside is an iPhone 10 Max. So it's the biggest iPhone. So guys, amazing what can fit inside, guys. So actually, the capacity of this one is the same capacity as, like, you know, my medium-sized bags. So like my Alma BB and my Speedy BB, guys. The same capacity as the Speedy BB and the Alma BB. So like, you know, with this small, really small one, you can fit a lot. So if you use this one as a toiletry pouch, you can really fit a lot of things inside. So aside from the hype of having this toiletry pouch, guys, I'm also great and so glad to have her, because, like, you know, as I can see, like, you know, this one is really very versatile for me. In that matter, I have ordered, when I bought this one, I have ordered in Lazada. I'm trying to get like an organizer from Samorga, but, like, you know, I really have find hard to order right now. So just temporarily, I ordered in Lazada, which is a wrong one, guys. So this is 19 pouch from Lazada for this toiletry pouch, but this one have no D-ring here, so I just reinvented. So this is Hermes ribbon, guys, that I turn here. I put here as like a ribbon here so that it can get in here. So yeah, so you can put an organizer right here. And of course, like, you know, you can turn this one as a shoulder bag. So I have here my strap from Louis Vuitton as well, from this bag, guys. So I can do like this. Yeah, everybody knows about this trick, guys. And actually, I'm ordering a proper one from Samorga, but, and then, like, you know, you do clip here on the side like that, and then you can also put this one, and you can do clip here on the other side. And you can close the zipper this way. And tada, you can use this one as a shoulder bag. It's really like a proper handbag, right? It's a crossbody bag. You can use this one like, you know. So yeah, for the price you're paying with this one, it's already a shoulder bag, guys. A crossbody bag. So it's cute. And you can use this one. Like, you know, like it's perfect for my outfit today. It's just very casual, right, guys? It's just like a blouse and then like a white short. So I can use this one like this. I can carry them like this as well. So even like, you know, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course share this video to your friend. And till the next video, guys, see you. Bye.